Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, follow and click the notification channel for more update. I don't post full episode, I post updates. Okay guys, this is what is going to happen on Scandal Thursday 18 September 2025, episode 123. Both of Lihle's mother try to play their part in planning her big night. Hopolo is made to realize he can run from court, but not from inevitable. Matchmaking doesn't seem to be Tlhori's strongest point. Okay guys, as we can see, Lihle is not happy at all, and her facial expression says it all. Yo guys, Lihle is not feeling distress at all. And you know how parents can be. If it was you, will you rock in it? Or ask the trendy stepmom for a grow or a glow up?
What's happening? Can you please tell me what's going on, Mama?
Get your smokes and mirrors.
Ke tlhoka go founela papa, po ya tse go se dire jalo.